This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. First, we look at the economic calendar for today. Then we'll look at the DXY dollar index. Then we'll proceed with our gold analysis. In gold analysis, I'll be doing the analysis from the 4 hours time frame to 5 minutes time frame. I'll be sharing you the current trend of the market and support and resistance levels for each time frame analysis. Please use it as a reference for deciding on your trade entry and exit. It's not a trading advice. So today is Tuesday, May 10th. There are plenty of news coming up on major currency pairs like US dollar, British pound. When we look at the impact, they all have only low impacts. At 10:30 p.m. we have medium impacting news coming up on US dollar related currency pairs. Otherwise most of the news are low impacting. Let us look at dollar index. I'm in hourly time frame of dollar index. When we look at the price action in dollar index, it went up, then consolidation happened and fell on a bearish trend reversal, but it couldn't break the support level of 103. Again it started going on a bullish trend. It went little bit higher than the previous high, but still it couldn't sustain on the bullish trend. Currently it is on a retracement. I have drawn a resistance line over here and it has retraced from the previous high. And when we look at the overall trend of the price action, it is still trading above this support line, which means it is in a bullish trend. When we look at the current support and resistance levels in hourly time frame, currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 103.860 and support level of 103.395. It is under a consolidation within this support and resistance line. And if the price action breaks this trend line or support line, next level of support is going to be around 103.110. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the trend of the market in 4 hours time frame, it is still trading above this support line. So current trend of the market is still in a bullish. It has gone up and currently it is on a retracement. When we look at the major support, 1833.944 is going to be the major support, because in the past this level had acted as a resistance level and the support level, and also it has acted as a neck level of the past price action. So within this bullish trend also, currently the price action is trading within a bearish channel pattern, and within this bearish channel pattern also it is trading within this mid line, which is acting as a resistance line and support line. So it has again tested this resistance line and bounced back on the bearish trend reversal. So as long as the price action doesn't break this support line from the daily time frame and the bearish channel pattern support line, there are chances for the price action to bounce back on the bullish side. But as long as the price action doesn't break this mid line, we can expect it to bounce back, and we can clearly notice that the ranges will become narrower and narrower. So soon we can expect the directional momentum in bullish side or on the bearish side. And if the price action breaks this major support level, we can expect very steep fall in gold. And when we look at the current price action where it is taking support, I am drawing one more support line over here. It is taking support around the support level of 1853. When we compare this level in the past price action, this level had acted as a neck level for the past price action. After breaking this neck level, we had noticed a very strong bearish trend reversal in the past, and again it is testing this neck level in 4 hours time frame. When we look at the price action more closely, it has tested this level several times, and currently also it is taking support. So if the price action bounces back from this level, we can expect it to retest on this midline of the bearish channel pattern. So currently the price action is trading between this resistance line and support line from the bearish channel pattern. As long as the price action doesn't break this bearish channel pattern, we can expect the downtrend to continue in 4 hours time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame also, it is in a very nice downtrend, trading between this midline of the bearish channel pattern and support line of the bearish channel pattern, and currently the price action is taking support at the support level of 1851, where it had taken support in the past also. Let us hope that the price action bounces back from this support level on the bullish trend reversal. And when we look at the current trend of the market in hourly time frame, I am drawing a resistance line or trend line. In the past, we had noticed the price action respect this resistance line, and from this level the price action had bounced back on the bullish trend reversal, and I have drawn one more resistance line or support line. In the past also it has bounced back on the bullish side. Currently it is taking support on this support line. Let us hope that it bounces back from this support line. Let us mark the support and resistance levels in hourly time frame. So these are all the resistance and support level for the current price action in hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. So we have the support line and trend line from the hourly time frame, and currently the price action has taken support on this trend line. But when we look at the overall price action, I have drawn one more resistance line over here. Every time when it tested this resistance line, it has bounced back on the bearish trend reversal. So even if the price action goes on the bullish side, we can expect it to bounce back from this resistance line if the bullish trend is weak. Only when the price action breaks this mid resistance line from the bearish channel pattern, we can expect the bullish trend to start in 30 minutes time frame. Currently it is in a downtrend in 30 minutes time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the resistance and support levels in 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 5 minutes time frame, it was on a bearish trend and it formed a double bottom pattern and retested at the resistance level of 1870, then bounced back on the bearish trend reversal. And currently when we look at the trend of the price action, I am drawing one more resistance line for 5 minutes time frame. Currently it is consolidating within this resistance and support line. Wait for it to give a directional breakout to take a directional trade. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. So these are all the resistance and support levels in 5 minutes time frame. The value in red color box is the higher time frame support level. Let us hope that the price action doesn't break this support level. We have come to the end of this analysis. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.